Roman Reigns is currently slated to defend his undisputed WWE Universal Championship against LA Knight at this year's Crown Jewel. A recent contract signing between these two on SmackDown fueled the anticipation of this massive clash. Even during the closing moments of the Blue Brand, LA Knight hit his finishing maneuver on the Tribal Chief after his victory over Jimmy Uso, indicating the intensity of their upcoming showdown. However, a potential twist that might be in store for fans at Crown Jewel could involve Paul Heyman betraying the Tribal Chief and aligning himself with LA Knight. This scenario might unfold during the title match, with Heyman intentionally costing Reigns and eventually aiding Knight to secure the victory and become the new undisputed champion. This unexpected turn of events could lead Heyman to join forces with Knight and become his manager in the company. Notably, there have been hints in the past of Heyman potentially leaving the Samoan faction. Following a potential loss at Crown Jewel, Roman Reigns might be absent from the company for the rest of the year, possibly due to the embarrassment of a defeat. It is worth noting that the Tribal Chief is also highly likely to miss this year's Survivor Series Premium Live event. However, despite the speculation, it remains highly unlikely for this scenario to unfold, as Roman Reigns retaining his title in a clean manner without any changes is one of the likely possibilities at Crown Jewel.